Hi, this is Mita Kumar, and you're watching MediCircle. As the world has come to an economic slowdown due to COVID 19, we are facing a lot of troubles, and there is a new normal concept everywhere. In this context, we are talking to a lot of entrepreneurs and investors of India to know the COVID 19 effect on Indian IMC. In this so today we have with us Mr. Varun Sheth, founder and CEO of Southeast Asia's largest crowdfunding fund platform, Keto. He is the best 40 under 40 entrepreneurs 2018 in India and also a Forbes under 30. Hi, Varun. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
So to start with, Varun, we would like to know, in this COVID-19 pandemic, how is your company trying to better manage your resources?
Sure, I think it's very unfortunate what's happening, not only in India, but across the world. I think it's once in a 100-year situation we are in. We at Keto have been working 24/7, 7 days a week, to basically be online and serve our customers, serve our partners as much as possible. We've seen a huge influx of people coming on our platform, either to give, to raise funds, create social impact, raise funds for the non-profit, raise funds for migrant workers. So yeah, we're just trying to do our best, be as much available as possible, and yeah, help our partners raise as much funds as possible on our platform.
Okay. And like as everybody has started working from home presently, like as it is due to the lockdown, so how difficult are you finding it, or is it better?
I think initially it was a little difficult. We're not a very large company, we're about 100 people only. So initially it was a little challenging in the first few weeks. But I think once everybody got into groove and we were able to better manage people's time and, and people themselves were better able to manage their whole day and
Yes.
schedule it better in terms of housework and office work and, personal work. I think then it got easier. I think it took a couple of weeks for people to get into the groove. But once they were able to figure out how to best utilize their day, then I think it just got easier.
Coming to the next one, an entrepreneur's general journey is always considered as a roller coaster ride. So, and there has been a lot of things which an entrepreneur faces. So, still, what measures or controls they should or one should take while struggling with all these uncertainties?
I think people should take it one day at a time. I think we are in a very extraordinary situation where we do not know what's going to happen 1 quarter or 1 month down the line. So I think one is to be mentally positive is very important. There's so much negative news that you're reading 24/7. So mentally being positive is very important. Taking one day at a time is very important. And not losing hope, right? Not giving up. I think if these three things are done right, I think you will see light at the end of the tunnel and will come out stronger from this pandemic.
What is the impact of coronavirus outbreak in your life, and how are you dealing with it on your personal front?
I think personally it's been very challenging. It's been difficult to be at home for so long. I've never been at home for so long. We definitely all had a routine, the way our lives would work, and yeah, it's been difficult. But you have to deal with it. And as I said, just take it one day at a time, and things will get better. Just be positive.
Yes. As your company, Keto focuses on raising awareness and funds for the needy, and it is like concentrating in each and every category, right from education to healthcare to so many things. So, I hope you have heard about these COVID patients not getting admissions in public hospitals, and the private treatment is actually very expensive for them. So, do you have any plan in mind how to get them a good treatment or get their treatment plan funded?
Sure. So, one of the biggest focus areas for Keto is healthcare crowdfunding. So, helping patients raise funds for their medical treatment. So, we basically have put the word out to all our hospital partners. We work with about 150 hospitals. That if there are patients and who need funds for COVID treatment, we are available they can use our platform, raise funds. But till now, we've not seen a huge demand for COVID patients raising funds on our platform because majority are going to public hospitals. But maybe that can change, with now things opening up, uh, and a large influx will be in private hospitals. Yeah.
See, like I know a couple of people who, due to this huge hospital bills, were getting discharged from the hospitals and then shifted to another one just because they were not able to afford the treatment cost.
Correct.
So, in your mobile
Correct.
apps or something, or if there is any platform where even I can send you some patients and Keto can take care of them.
Yes, for sure. You can either email it to us or we'll make a Google Sheet or a survey form. You can just send patient information, and our team is available 24/7, 7 days a week to contact them and help them through the process.
That would be really great. Tell me something more about Keto, and I
Yes,
actually try to find it out a lot on the net. Like it has got a dedicated fundraiser expert guide where it is the entire fundraising process is taken as a good journey. There's a web app to track each and every activity on your fundraiser on the go. And so please,
correct.
something more about it.
Correct. So yeah, so we're a crowdfunding. Yeah, we're a crowdfunding platform. We've been around since 2012. One of the big focus areas we have is crowdfunding for healthcare, which is including people's treatment, surgeries, cancer, etc. So users who are looking to raise funds, it's free to start a fundraising page on the website. We're not charging any fee for COVID-related fundraisers as well. So users
Okay.
can come, they can simply just sign up, create a fundraiser page by just adding the name, which hospital they are in, what is the disease, upload the necessary documents. Then the fundraiser gets assigned to a manager who verifies the information that a user has uploaded and contacts the user if they have any other question. Once the fundraiser is activated, the link can be shared on social media, Facebook, WhatsApp. They can start collecting donations not only from India but across the world, in not only in INR but even dollars, pounds, euros, among multiple other currencies. And once the funds are raised, they are given a dashboard where they can see everything in a very transparent manner, who's giving, their email ID, phone number, if they want to contact them, thank them personally, and the money gets transferred to the hospital's account to pay off their medical bills. So it's a very
Okay.
seamless process, can be done very quickly, and funds can be raised very quickly as well.
Tell me one thing. When you started Keto, see, it's like Keto is about raising an awareness rather than a fund, because it's actually people should come forward and donate to every such cause which is very needed for the entire humanity. So, but initially, were you having the same kind of reactions or responses as you get good responses today for any of your fundraising programs? How was it initially, and how has that changed now?
Initially, of course, it was very difficult because one of the challenges was that people didn't trust the internet economy in itself. Right, when we started,
Hmm.
which was about 8 years back, transacting online, shopping online was a very new concept. But of course, that's evolved considerably in the last 8 years, with you basically doing everything online, from buying food, grocery, shopping, etc. Right. So there's a lot of trust in the internet economy. One. Second is that we've been able to build a lot of right pillars, I would say, to build a lot of trust around the giving economy that we are a part of, by constantly keeping donors updated, knowing what's happening, testimonials. The whole transparent aspect of giving on the platform has made people more comfortable to come give, recommend others to come and give, get updates, information. So of course, over the last 8 years, it's evolved a lot in terms of from being a small website to a huge platform where hundreds and thousands of crores are getting raised.
That's really a good sign that people are coming forward and donating for such reasons. Tell me one thing,
That's
Varun.
correct. Thank you.
Like Bollywood actor Kunal Kapoor being one of the co-founders of Keto, so how has it contributed in its
That's
growth?
correct. It's contributed immensely. As I'm sure we all know that in India, Bollywood has a massive trust factor around celebrities and actors. And having Kunal on board has allowed us to work with a lot of celebrities, actors, both from Bollywood, across sports and other movie industries as well, who continuously use our platform, promote it, share it on social media. So yeah, it's been a very strong and unique partnership, which has helped us considerably.
So that was it. If you would like to say anything to our viewers, you can go ahead.
Sure. Just would like to say that if you all know anyone who needs funds for medical treatment for their medical surgeries, please log on to ketto.org. That's KETTO.org. Click on Start a Fundraiser and just fill up the form. One of our team members will get in touch. We'll definitely want to help these patients raise funds for their medical treatment as soon as possible. So don't feel shy. Just sign up, and we will assign somebody who will help you through the process and handhold you through the journey. That's it. Thank you.
Sorry, one thing I forgot. Keto is a very unique name. So how did you zeroed into it?
Sure. So Keto stands for Key to Tomorrow. So we basically wanted to name it something which was unique and had a very strong meaning. And of course, some domain that we found on the online as well. And
Okay.
we came across this word keto, and we
Yeah,
we
it's very
discussed a
catchy.
lot. We said that it's a very catchy and unique word. So yeah, we just didn't overthink it. We just went with it.
That's great. So thanks Varun a lot for your time and the good work which Keto is doing. We wish you all the best
Thank
for
you.
your future
Thank
endeavors.
you.